true partners on the program. It didn't feel like a transactional relationship. It felt like working with someone who really believed in what you were doing, believed in your business and wanted to make a difference. Hi, I'm Alex Blow. I lead Central Coast Industry Connect. For 10 years, we've been providing a range of services to manufacturing businesses based here on the Central Coast. We're a not-for-profit. We support businesses with training, capability building, and networking opportunities with a view that we help grow the manufacturing sector and contribute to social and economic prosperity for our region. One of our major projects has been the Central Coast Makers Trail. We were successful in achieving some government funding, some grant funding from the state and federal governments to lead this project. Our key objective for the Central Coast Makers Trail project was to help promote food tourism here on the Central Coast, supporting food producers to develop new income streams and to promote the Central Coast as a vibrant and dynamic foodie region. A key objective for the Makers Trail is not only to create awareness of the experiences offered by food and beverage producers here on the Central Coast, but to drive traffic to their website and convert that traffic into bookings and ultimately revenue for the participating businesses. To help us on our journey, we actually got proposals from a number of agencies, both on the coast and in Sydney. And actually after a fairly rigorous evaluation process, really Missing Link were our first choice, mostly because they were deeply invested in our project and deeply invested in supporting local industry and the Central Coast economy more broadly. We worked very closely with Missing Link on firstly building a strategy, having a really comprehensive plan for what we wanted to achieve, and then connecting with a range of experts. One of the key reasons we chose to work with Missing Link was their obvious expertise in a number of areas, including digital strategy, email marketing and social media marketing. And Missing Link brought in a number of expert collaborators to support our other elements of the project, including the branding, website development, videography, photography and PR. We're really thrilled that all of the businesses involved in the project were based right here on the Central Coast, meaning that we were able to support local businesses and they were able to support the growth of the local economy. The Makers Trail project's been incredibly impactful for the participating food and beverage businesses. So we're really impressed with the results of the 12-month marketing campaign. We had over 4 million social media impressions, over 10,000 followers across Facebook and Instagram. Our website received over 57,000 visits, and from that, nearly 3,000 people clicked through to participating producers' booking platforms. One of the things I really enjoyed about working with Chris and Perry and the team at Missing Link was they were true partners on the program. It didn't feel like a transactional relationship. It felt like working with someone who really believed in what you were doing, believed in your business and wanted to make a difference. So if you need help with your marketing, you want to work with someone that's a real expert in their craft, I strongly recommend reaching out to Missing Link.